Everything I do is crazy, apparently.
I like your brand of crazy though.
Why, thank you.
You're not porn chick crazy. You know?
No, I'm just...
You know the times.
Oh yeah, I know. I'm just weird crazy.
Yeah.
Not porn chick crazy, just weird crazy. So, it looks like my cat egg thing is almost done. I'm so excited. It's looking so cute. Very, very cute. And so I got this little bread. And I put some Swiss cheese on it. And some strawberries, because we want to be healthy. We want to be crazy cat ladies, but we want to be healthy crazy cat ladies, right? Right. Okay. So let's... This is the big reveal. This looks about done. Hold on. I gotta shake it out. Come on, you can get out. Get out of there. There we go. Oh. So it's kind of cat shaped. Oh. I think I need more practice with this thing. So, oh no, it's still, you can see the ears. Here, I'll show you. It's got little ears. And the eyes. And little whiskers. And then, obviously, all that work we did, now we gotta squish it. And just eat it. It's delicious. Looks a little weird, but it's good.